Hello, we are just finishing up week 8, so we only have one more week to go. We will not be doing one of these videos next week. Session ends the 9th, I'm sorry, the 8th, March 8th. So we will be compiling everything that happened, that passed, all the final information, and be able to give you the actual meat and potatoes that we've been talking about in very high form over the last few weeks at our webinar, which is going to be March 21st. So that's a webinar. Be on the lookout for some data coming out regarding how you can register for that. And it'll be very informative, and we'll have a good team of folks ready to digest all this stuff and then present it to you and be able to help you out, so that you then can also digest it and figure out what we have to do. So again, be on the lookout for that. That'll be March 21st. So we will not have one of these next week. A lot is still very much right there in play, and I think we'll come in for a landing. The House basically took the Senate version of the condo bill today, amended the bill to 1021, the condo bill, and we'll be voting it out tomorrow. It'll then go over to the Senate. The Senate is expected next week early to then go ahead and send that to the governor. There's an HOA bill that the House had already sent. The Senate is amending it substantially at 1203. The the Senate rather will be amending it tomorrow with the language. It's essentially, if you've been following along, 7044. That language will then go back over to the House and see if the House will take it. If they do, then they would send that on to the governor. Again, so 1203, but not the way it looks right now. If you don't look it up, it'll be amended, like I said, in the Senate tomorrow and brought back. Nothing happened this week on estoppel. That's still in the House's play, where they could, it got amended as we discussed last time. If that's a go, it would be the House would send over that amended language on 278. Still see how that goes. Same goes with vacation rentals, 280. So we've got, like I said, the condo bill, the House bill, vacation rental, and estoppel. The other issue that's still, being dealt with is insurance. There is a bill that deals with that's 1029 that will now, for the first time, allow condos. Again, it's just a pilot program, but we got $30 million allocated for the My Safe Florida Home program for condos, just as a pilot. So initially it would get started with that, but again, only condos that are 3 stories or less. So that would be for those smaller condos could participate in that hardening program, rebate program for hardening your homes. So a lot still to happen over the next and last week. And then again, we'll have you fully updated with a good, I believe it's going to be a 2-hour webinar with a very, I'm excited about this panel. I think you guys are really going to enjoy it and get a lot of information out of it on the 21st of March. So thank you. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the 21st. Again, make sure you contact us through your manager with any questions, updates, and we'll be able to get those to you in the meantime. Thank you.